I think it's interesting to think about how women's bodies change as we age and the different needs that women have from plastic surgeons as they kind of pass through those cycles in life. I see younger patients, believe it or not, kind of teenagers who are finding themselves for the first time, and especially in an age of all of this social media and all these selfies, we're seeing younger women for something more like a rhinoplasty. And believe it or not, even something like a labiaplasty. And in girls who are in their later teenage years, it can be appropriate if it's really an issue for them. But then as we go along and kind of hit women in their early 20s, I think that's when I start seeing women who are coming in and saying, you know, I really never had any breast volume. I've always been self-conscious that there's just nothing there. I'm ready to get breast implants. In the later 20s, early 30s is I think when women start looking in the mirror and starting to see the early development of lines, of loss of that facial fullness, that baby fat that's there. Sooner and sooner, we're starting to talk about skincare. We're talking more and more about sunblock and prevention and early Botox, basically, for a lot of these patients. 30s is when I start to see women who've had their kids, and usually what happens is most of the changes happen to kind of the breast and the abdominal area. A lot of it is, you know, I haven't had the time to take care of myself until now. Now my kids are finally in school and I can think about myself a little bit more. And then I think the next big change that tends to happen for women is menopause. And it's really, really, really tough because what happens is their metabolism just slows down. And so I see women who are coming in who, you know, for years they were like, I never had to watch what I ate. I work out all the time. And now it's just like, I can't get rid of this fat. And the other thing that happens is they lose that elasticity, that glow in the skin. And that's when they're coming in saying, you know, I've got this puffiness under my eyes, my upper eyelids are drooping, I'm starting to look like my grandmother, what can you do?